Hi, I'm Bethan. Welcome to Videojug, and this is skating in 5 easy steps.
Learn to do crossovers in a circle on the ice and in both directions.
So here's how to do it in 5 easy steps.
Step 1. Face into the circle with your arms outstretched. Step 2. Bend your knees strongly as you push off backwards onto an outside edge and position your free leg out in front. Step 3. Let your free leg cross over the standing leg with your body weight still leaning into the circle. Step 4. Transfer your body weight onto the front leg with the foot at the back on an inside edge. Step 5. Bend the standing leg and start to extend the free leg. Close your feet and repeat.
So here's a few tips to help you and a few things to avoid.
Look in the direction of travel. Use the edges of the skates. Don't look down. Don't attempt to move on straight legs.
And here are those key steps one more time.
Face the circle. Push onto the outside edge. Your free leg crosses over the front. Transfer your body weight. Close your feet.
So now it's up to you to try it out, practice it, and have fun adding it to your ice skating moves and techniques. And if you enjoyed this, follow us on Videojug's YouTube channel for more skating in 5 easy steps.